Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Double to bank account. First, open the Double Fantasy app and tap the settings icon in the top right corner. If it's your first withdrawal, tap Add New Bank Account and fill in your name, account number, and other required bank details. Then tap Save Details. Next, go to your profile section and tap the withdraw option to see your available balance. Tap withdraw again, select your bank account from the list. Choose the correct one if you have multiple, and confirm. Tap withdraw to start the transfer. If using an instant transfer account, you should receive the money within minutes. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Double to bank account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.